Alright, this is a DIY video. So, if you have a bird plushie, go get it. So, the first thing, let's make a nest for this birdie. So the first thing you need is a box. Second thing, rubber bands, a lot of rubber bands. Some of these wooden sticks, a lot. And a bird plushie, of course. And more things you will need, Play-Doh. You will need some Play-Doh and yeah, that's it. So the first thing you need to do, get your box, put all of your rubber bands into the box. And the second step, put all of your sticks in. Alright, we're done with the box, the main nest. Now we'll need some Play-Doh. Roll it up into a ball. And if you want to, if you have any like star beads or anything that you can decorate it with, please use that so it can make the ball a little decorative. So yeah. And what you will need for extra, draw some little foods that you want your bird to eat, and then color them and then cut them out for the food. And then, yeah, that's the DI. And for the drink, get some white Play-Doh and And then if you have a Lost Kitties bottle like this, use that. If you don't, just use your white Play-Doh container. And make sure, and you can get some other toys for your owl, like this is my toy box. It says toys. And you also need a container for food. Alright, that's the D, and then put your bird in the nest. Woohoo, woohoo. Alright, bye.